From the site overview page or within an area, click New Room. Name the room and click Select a device for your central load. Using the filter tool, select a device that is ideally located to communicate with all devices in the space. You can name the device by clicking its identify icon on the left of the screen. Room devices to select all devices you wish to pair to your central load. As shown here, use the filter tool to sort and find the desired devices you want to add to your room. Ensure all battery devices are awake during this process. When done, hit Save. Click Create Room at the bottom of the page to pair your room network. Once you've named that room, select your centralized load and added the room devices.